My game is not good enough. Yeah, I got Bojan with the white pieces. Let's go for glory, you guys. All in. Let's go. I get white. Let's see if I can play. Wait, what? Is this on purpose? Wait, this line, I'm trying to remember what's correct. This is, I remember, Ali Rez has played this against me. This is supposed to be better for white. Go E5. Did I accidentally, I think I accidentally transposed into a line that's not great. Yeah, I accidentally transposed into a line of the French that's not great for white. You know what's funny? The first time I studied this was all the way back during the US Championship, I believe in 2003, if I remember correctly. I was looking at this for blacks. I was playing the French a lot at the time. Okay, Queen C7 looks a little bit strange. I mean, maybe it's fine. I don't care. Takes, okay. We go Queen E2. I think Rook E1 is supposed to be correct. He has Queen B6, but I'm not really worried. I just go like Queen E2 and Knight A4. I also have Queen D2, and I think should be for a strange move. Does Bishop B4 actually do anything? I'm a little confused as to what the point of Bishop B4 is. But I'm also talking way too much. Let's just go back. I don't know. If he wants to take... Oh, did I just blunder D... Just blunder D4 I might have. He goes there. Logical. Let's play... I'll go here. Guard the pawn temporarily. I mean, I think I'm better here, actually. I think I'm much better. He's got a bad light square bishop. I assume I go H4 to stop G5. Okay, logical. The key that I need to play for is I think I need to bring my bishop back around here. I think I need the bishop on D4 specifically. Not concerned I go here. Okay, logical. Trying to win this pawn. I don't think I'm really worried about the pawn. I think I'm just gonna go all in with Queen G3. Yeah, like I mean at this point I have to win. If I don't win this game, I'm not even finishing top 2. So like, why am I afraid of this pawn? Like, why? I should not be afraid. Okay, goes there. And also go Knight D2. No, I think Rook E3 looks correct. Try to bring all the pieces, bring the boys to the party here. Knight B5, I mean... Somehow I'm not very worried by that move. Maybe I should be. Probably I should be. Or should I? Wait a second. Come on. A4. No, then he takes and goes Knight C6, and I don't have... 3. I feel like I'm misplaying this for some reason. Wow, that's not what I expected. Gotta be honest, I feel like... Okay, wait. G3, Rook G3, Rook G8. Rook G8, I have this Bishop H7 tickle, and I think I'm winning. Let's see. I think Boyan, right? That's how you pronounce it. I think he made a fairly serious mistake here. I mean, I don't really want to trade, but I think I have. I can also no. Let's just trade. Knight F3 also a move, but I think I need to put massive pressure here. So if I wait, if Bishop G6 takes. I'm threatening Rook F3, so takes. I'm threatening here, Queen H7, Queen G3, and Rook G7. Oh wait, Queen F7, Rook F3. Queen F7, Rook F3, Queen F3 is fine. No, I can't do it. I'll go here and just overload. I almost blunder with takes because Queen F7, Rook F3, sack the Queen, Rook G8. Wake up. Could have gone Rook F3, Rook F6 too. Probably I should go H5 maybe at some point too. H5 to 4, so it goes there. Wait, so now, wait. Now if I sack... Wait a second. Takes d4, rook f3. Check. Ah, I don't know if it works. No, wait, no. Rook f3 doesn't... So I guess I'm going some stake, of course. Stupid. Okay, I can put the rook on f6 at least. I am better here. Whether I'm winning is a separate question altogether. Gotta move. That's a blunder. I think I'm winning now. There we go. Yes! Let's go! Let's